It's the beginning of the year, and at the beginning of the year, many people tend to focus on a few specific areas they would like to improve in their life. One is their health, another might be their relationship, and a third is career. A lot of people want to get better at work. Do you have goals to increase your impact at work, find a better job, or get a promotion, something like that? Then you should consider taking my workshop. It's called 7 Steps to Transformation, Emerge Your Best Self in 2019. It's going to be held on January 25th. Hi, I'm Maureen Ross-Jem, owner of Emerge Leadership Academy. And in this workshop, you're going to have time to get laser focused on the one big goal that you really want to achieve this year. This is an experiential workshop where you'll look at deeper into what might be holding you back, so that you can learn, and you will learn, a lot of new tools that can help you to take a quantum leap forward in your career. But you'll need to ask yourself some questions like, why haven't you achieved this dream yet, or this goal? Is it because it's new? Or do you have some excuses like, I don't know where to start? Or I've come across some roadblocks, or I'm too busy to find the time. It doesn't really matter what your excuses are. They all translate into fear on some level. And we can bust you through that. So as long as you're willing to take a look at those fears honestly. So think for a minute, how much better would your life be if you accomplished your goal? Would you be happier? Would you be making more money? How different could your life be? Are you ready for a transformation? Then sign up for the workshop today. Make a commitment to yourself to make 2019 your best year yet. The workshop is going to be held on January 25th. It's already half full and space is limited, so don't take too long to make this decision. Get your seat now by clicking the registration link below. Now, if you can't afford the workshop, but you're still watching this because you're really willing to do the work to change your life, well, I have one scholarship seat open from an anonymous donor that could be yours. I would like for you to write to me an email explaining why I should give this seat to you and send it by January 16th. Let me know the goal that you're working on and also what is your commitment level to achieving your goal. And then I'll be in touch with you to let you know if that seat is yours by Friday, January 18th. So everyone who attends will receive my new book called Emerge, 7 Steps to Transformation, no matter what life throws at you, and also a 42-page workbook, breakfast, lunch, and great accessibility to other attendees, and a few other surprises that I'm going to throw in there. Not to mention all the great content and the tools that you're going to get that will help you make your dreams come true. So thanks for watching. I hope to see you there.